The legendary voyage of Voyager, humanity's most distant explorer. Imagine a tiny spacecraft launched over 45 years ago, equipped with technology so outdated that it predates the first personal computers. Yet, against all odds, it's still traveling, still exploring, and still sending us messages from the farthest reaches of space. This isn't science fiction, it's the incredible story of NASA's Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, humanity's most daring and successful robotic explorers. Voyager 1, now the most distant human-made object ever, is over 14 billion miles away from Earth, deep in interstellar space, a region beyond the protective influence of our Sun. It's a place so remote that the spacecraft's signals, traveling at the speed of light, take more than 18 hours to reach us. Despite its age and immense distance, Voyager 1 continues to operate, sending us data about the mysterious, uncharted frontier of the cosmos. But the story of the Voyagers is more than just a tale of distance. It's a saga of human ingenuity, perseverance, and an unrelenting desire to explore the unknown. It's a journey filled with incredible discoveries, technological triumphs, and questions that challenge our understanding of the universe. The birth of a grand mission. The story of Voyager began with a rare celestial event, a cosmic alignment so unique that it occurs only once every 176 years. In the late 1970s, NASA scientist Gary Flandreau discovered that Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would align in such a way that a spacecraft could use their gravitational forces to slingshot from one planet to the next. This phenomenon, known as a gravitational assist, would allow a spacecraft to visit all four gas giants in a fraction of the time it would normally take, just 12 years instead of 30. Recognizing the extraordinary opportunity, NASA moved quickly. In the summer of 1977, two identical spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, were launched just 15 days apart. At the time, their mission seemed simple: to explore Jupiter and Saturn, sending back detailed data and images. But what started as a 4-year mission soon transformed into one of the greatest space exploration adventures of all time. Unveiling the mysteries of the outer solar system. As the Voyagers made their way through the solar system, they began to uncover a world of wonders that no one had ever imagined. Voyager 1 was the first to reach Jupiter, capturing breathtaking images of the planet's swirling atmosphere and its 4 largest moons. Among these, Io stood out as a revelation, a volcanic moon with geysers spewing molten sulfur hundreds of kilometers into space. This was the first time scientists had observed active volcanoes beyond Earth, and it completely changed our understanding of planetary geology. Not to be outdone, Voyager 2 made history by becoming the first and so far only spacecraft to visit Uranus and Neptune. In 1986, Voyager 2 flew past Uranus, revealing a mysterious, bluish-green planet with a magnetic field tilted at a bizarre angle. 3 years later, it reached Neptune, discovering supersonic winds blowing at over 1,500 miles per hour, the fastest winds in the solar system. The Voyagers also provided us with unparalleled views of Saturn's rings, showing intricate details of their structure, including mysterious spokes that scientists are still trying to understand. They revealed icy moons like Enceladus, with evidence of subsurface oceans that could potentially harbor life. Each new discovery was a reminder of how little we knew about the worlds beyond our own. The Voyagers were not just visiting planets, they were rewriting the textbooks. Technological marvels of their time. What makes the Voyagers' journey even more astounding is the technology they rely on. Imagine trying to navigate the complexities of interplanetary space with just 69 kilobytes of memory, less than what's needed to load a single web page today. The spacecraft's onboard computers are so primitive by today's standards that even a modern calculator would seem like a supercomputer in comparison. Data collected by the Voyagers is stored on 8-track tape recorders before being transmitted back to Earth. Their signals, sent via a 23-watt transmitter, about the power of a refrigerator light bulb, are picked up by NASA's Deep Space Network, a global system of massive antennas designed to track distant spacecraft. Despite these limitations, the Voyagers have defied the odds. Their longevity is thanks in part to their power source, radioisotope thermoelectric generators, which convert the heat from decaying plutonium into electricity. This ingenious system has kept them running for over 4 decades, though their power is slowly dwindling. Crossing into interstellar space in 2012, Voyager 1 made history by crossing the heliopause, the boundary where the Sun's influence ends and interstellar space begins. It was the first human-made object to enter this uncharted realm, marking a milestone in our exploration of the cosmos. As it crossed this boundary, Voyager 1 detected a dramatic increase in the density of plasma, sign that it had entered a region dominated by particles from other stars. However, scientists were puzzled when the magnetic field didn't change direction as expected. This surprising result has sparked ongoing debates about the nature of the heliopause and the environment beyond it. Voyager 2 followed in 2018, providing additional data that continues to challenge our understanding of interstellar space. These findings are a testament to the spacecraft's ability to surprise us, even after 4 decades of exploration. The Golden Records, humanity's message to the stars. Perhaps one of the most iconic aspects of the Voyager mission is the Golden Records, 2 gold-plated discs carried aboard each spacecraft. These records contain a collection of sounds, images, and messages representing the diversity of life on Earth. From the laughter of a child to greetings in 55 languages, the Golden Records are humanity's time capsules, intended for any intelligent life that might one day encounter the spacecraft. The records also include music, such as Beethoven's symphonies and Chuck Berry's Johnny B. Good, along with images of Earth's landscapes, animals, and cultures. They are a reminder of the optimism and hope that drove the Voyager mission, a belief that we are not just exploring for ourselves but reaching out to the universe. Fascinating facts you need to know: a journey to the stars. The Voyagers are still within the Sun's gravitational influence and will take about 30,000 years to reach the Oort cloud, a vast region of icy bodies at the edge of the solar system. Voyager's power lifespan: by the 2030s, the spacecraft's power supply will run out, and they will fall silent. However, their journey through the cosmos will continue for millions of years. Far beyond expectations, the Voyagers were originally designed for a 4-year mission. They've now lasted over 45 years, traveling farther than anyone ever imagined. A legacy of exploration. The Voyager mission is more than just a scientific achievement, it's a symbol of humanity's unyielding curiosity and determination to explore the unknown. These tiny spacecraft have journeyed farther than any human-made object, uncovering the wonders of our solar system and venturing into the great cosmic abyss. As they continue their silent voyage through the stars, the Voyagers remind us of our place in the universe, not just as inhabitants of Earth, but as explorers with an insatiable desire to understand the cosmos. The Voyagers' story is far from over. They are now ambassadors of humanity, carrying our message to the stars and continuing to inspire generations of dreamers and scientists.